Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to track iPhone usage, limit app time, manage notifications or set parental controls, Screen Time is the built-in tool you need. In iPhone settings 2026, Screen Time gives you full visibility and control over how your device is used. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to set up Screen Time on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, go to Settings. Okay, let's look for Screen Time. Let's type it because it will takes us time to find it. So like this is the main dashboard for usage tracking and controls. If Screen Time is off, tap turn on Screen Time, then tap continue. So now select one option. Okay, so as you can see, choose this is my iPhone, or this is a child's iPhone. So select one option. This is my iPhone, which is personal usage tracking, or this is a child's iPhone, which means personal controls and restrictions. Your choice affects available control options. Okay, so once enabled, you will see daily and weekly screen time, most used apps, pickups and notifications, category breakdown like social, entertainment, productivity, etc. Okay, so this updates automatically. So set downtime. This is optional but recommended. So go to Screen Time and downtime there. Okay, so block apps during specific hours. Okay, or allow only essential apps and calls. So choose start and end times. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.